Although we have 2 heroes, supporting an extra team is a high cost. If we repair the research center, we can conduct research to support. We can now send another hero to the southwest.
Nuts! I just got back and you guys are putting me through all this already? What about your animal protection laws?
Is it you, Mr. S?
Yes, it's me. You're safe now.
S! It's dangerous here! Leave, quickly!
What is it?
There are many more monsters in the south. It's a miracle that we have survived this long.
They occupied our old bounty hunter comm system, cutting off the entire city, leaving us stranded here, unable to escape.
Faye, send Rob 1 to take a look.
Yes.
S, it's good to have you back. We're at your disposal whenever you need us.
Rob 1 has sent back survey results.
Not looking good.
We now have enough soldiers to attack the Astra Hive and take back the bounty hunter comm system.
Great. Everything depends on this battle.
Yes. Wish you great success.
Incinerate.
There is a critical risk in your city. Please use training accelerator to speed up training.
Incinerate. Incinerate.
You are strong enough to take on the Astra Hive. Strike now and protect our city. Congratulations. Every security risk inside the city has been resolved, but your close supervision over the city is required to maintain a high level of prosperity.
Don't worry, I'll do my best, in good times or bad.
Master, we received a message from Mr. Z on our information sharing system. Do you want me to play it?
Z? Is he still alive? Read me the message now!
S! I can't believe my eyes when I saw your signal. We all thought you died in prison. Things are worse than ever. You'd be naive that the Astra are your biggest threat. However, there's an abundance of resources. Just make sure you get there before everyone else. After hearing that you're still alive, Denver immediately rushed to meet you. S, stay alive so that we can meet in person.
Keeping alive's about all we can do now. Faye, where are those scout drones?
In the research center. We can activate them after the scout hangar is completed and have them explore areas around the city. We will plot our next course of action. The scouts are ready. You can now explore freely.
Master, intelligence received from outside the city. You can check it out at the intelligence agency. You can upgrade your intelligence level by accomplishing intelligence tasks. Higher level for higher quality tasks with richer rewards. Here are the intelligence tasks you have received. These tasks will refresh every 8 hours. This shelter is hanging on by a thread. Please save the residents there immediately.
My allegiance is to Origin.
Shelters are widely scattered across the map. After the Silent Fall, many Origin residents lost their homes, and many shelters were constructed to house refugees. Most residents at shelters are kind and friendly. They're very happy to help those who fight for Origin.